Unlock your global earnings today. Discover the ultimate guide to effortlessly create and set up your Payoneer account and start receiving payments from around the world. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can get started and creating and setting up a Payoneer account. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into payoneer.com. This is the home page as you can see. So what is Payoneer? Payoneer is a financial services company that provides online money transfer and digital payment services. It allows businesses and professionals to send and receive funds globally, making it easier to conduct international transactions. Users can open a Payoneer account to manage payments, withdraw funds to their local bank accounts, and access a prepaid MasterCard for online and in-store purchases. It's widely used by freelancers, online sellers, and businesses for cross-border payments. So here we have other options to learn and know more information about Payoneer and how it works. For example, we have freelancers, we have get paid here, manage business, make payments, explore freelancer service like capital advance, manage currencies, partners directory, and we have get paid by clients, get paid by marketplaces, withdraw funds also. Then we have business here, get paid, make payments, pay suppliers and other things. Then you have marketplace also, and here we have if you want to register. So in the home page, we have here the payment solution for marketplaces. Your marketplace depends on your seller's success. With Payoneer, you can deliver the best possible payment experience at a global scale, wherever your sellers are. So first of all, you have just to click over sign in. Once you do that, you will find other page which you have to find your account by writing your email address and your password, and you will find your account. But if you don't sign up before, you have just to start your inscription by clicking over sign up, and you will find this page. We have here choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. Please select the option that describes you the best. So if you are a freelancer or SMB or online seller or affiliate marketer or vacation rental host or individual. So you click over the one you are, and let's choose for example individual. So you choose the one you are. We'll find here for example this one. The right account for you is freelancer, agency, or service provider getting paid by clients or via marketplaces. We have here get paid by leading marketplaces including Upwork, Fiverr, Getty Images, and more. So also we have get paid by your global clients, withdraw your earnings to your local bank account at a low rates. We have also withdraw funds at ATMS, and we have also pay your suppliers and subcontractors for free. So you click over register. Once you do that, you will find this page. So this is how you can get started and you sign it up. We have Payoneer sign up. First, we have your fakes contact us and my account. So we have the first step getting started. Here we have the first question. Is your business registered with any government, business licensing or tax authority? So if it's no, you click over this one. No, my business isn't registered. If it's yes, you click over this one. Yes, I own or represent a registered business. So you write your first name. Please fill in the fields in English characters only. Write your first name, your last name, your email address, and you confirm it's your email address. And then you have date of birth here, and you click over next. Once you do that, you will find this page, contact details. Please fill in the fields in English characters only. Providing a complete and accurate address speeds up your account approval. So you write your country here, your street and number, then we have your mobile number also, and we have here click send code and enter the verification code we send to your mobile number. So we have the verification code here, write it, then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page. But before we have two steps here, you have just to write your personal information. I didn't mention it because I already did that and I can't do it again. So we have here security details, almost done, and you find this page. We have here congratulations. Your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. Once a Payoneer card, learn how to order one. So you're now in the second step of the application process. The first one we already done. Application completed. Your application has been successfully submitted. We have a review and process. You will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days once your application has been reviewed. Then we have the next step, or let's say in the third step, receive payments. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email confirmation and can begin receiving payments to your account. Once you do that, you will find the home page. So once you have signed up for Payoneer, the first step is to verify your account by providing the necessary identification and business information. After verification, link your local bank account to facilitate easy rewards. You can then receive payments from clients or marketplaces by sharing your Payoneer saving account, which support multiple currencies. To enhance your experience, consider ordering a Payoneer prepaid MasterCard for convenient access to your funds. Finally, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with features like payment requests and transaction history. So in the homepage we have here transactions updated every several minutes. We have latest upcoming and we have view all here. Nothing to see here right now. We have firstly withdraw and here we have transfer. You can go for it. We will find here convert currencies. Transfer money between your currency balances to make payments in the currency you need. We have here from to, and we have to manage currency you need to be receiving funds to a Payoneer account. So you click over learn more if you want to learn more, of course. Then we have account activity. About this one we have such as transactions, payment requests sent, and we have also reports and statement. For example, monthly statement or transaction reports. Then we have bank accounts. Here we have my bank account, and we have here if you want to add another account. Also, if you scroll down in the panel here we have Payoneer service, the right to verify that you have access to and control over any bank account for withdrawal you add to your account. Then we have business networking. On this one we have companies you work with, business application and connect apps. So getting started with Payoneer opens up a world of opportunities for seamless global transactions. By following the setup steps and leveraging its features, you can efficiently manage your payments and enhance your business operations. Embrace the flexibility and convenience Payoneer offers and unlock your potential in the global marketplace. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.